Your outfits absolutely suck and they're disgusting. And honestly, I can't believe you would wear such humiliating things outside of your door. Let me show you.
Get out!
How you're going to look better when you get out the house. First off, you want the base. Every outfit needs a base. If you do not have a base, you cannot even style anything. What's there to style? Be for real. Talk to me right now. There's nothing to style if you do not have a base. Matter of fact, pause the video and comment down below. You always need a base, okay? Okay, first part we got are these jeans. The jean. Okay? We have the jeans. Now, if you're dressing professionally or preppy, you have to have some nice jeans that aren't ripped. Now, they don't have to be not ripped, but especially in a professional setting, jeans are overall frowned upon. But if you're wearing jeans, make sure they're not ripped. That is key. Now for the shirt. I love me a crew neck when it comes to preppy wear. When you're trying to dress preppy, you want a good crew neck or a cool button up. And that also translates to a professional setting as well. Okay? So now you gotta put the outfit on. So let me go ahead and put these clothes on. Okay, so boom, we have the clothes on right now. You might be thinking, Kylie, how did this crew neck become so scrunched up and it looks so cute and adjusted to your body type? Let me show you. You need one of these big rubber bands. Make sure they're really, really stretchy, thick ones. And I have a link to these in my comment section and my description, so be sure to check that out. Now, we have this right here, right? We're gonna get these because it's so big. You're going to step into it, okay? Like that. And you're gonna do the same thing the other way. Bring it up. Place where you want it to be placed, except for it's not gonna be on the outside like this. Like, where do you want it to be cropped? Okay, it's not gonna be placed on the outside. It's gonna be placed underneath the shirt. So place it where you want it to be. I don't want mine too high. I'm gonna a little bit. Boom, just like that. Now, it's the important part. You look very preppy, very corporate. Now you wanna make sure you're looking cute. What's gonna make you stand out? One word, accessory. I broke down the word. It doesn't mean that it's not one word. It's still one word, accessory. Now, there are different types of accessories. There are bracelets, there are necklaces, and there are earrings. Now, my favorite one is definitely the earrings. Here, I have all of my earrings, which there's a whole bunch of them, okay? Now, the ones I'm about to put on are some simple hoop earrings. Typically, in a corporate environment, hoop earrings are generally frowned upon, but as long as your hoop earrings aren't excessively big, it shouldn't be a problem. Now, if you're being preppy, girl, I would go with some pearls, especially for the corporate space. So today we're going to be wearing these big old diamond pearls that I have. If you want some earrings like this, check the comment section down below so you can be able to get some. But speaking of, like, what type of earrings do you like? I mean, earrings for me are a form of self-expression. I love thick, chunky earrings, especially ones that are very, very unique. But I've noticed, like, the small, dainty earrings compliment my ear the most, but it doesn't mean I like it the most. I love these big. Okay, you guys, now that we have the earrings done, we want to get our necklaces through. Today, I'm going to be wearing a simple, ooh, this one's kind of boyish. So for that reason, I kind of don't like it. Yeah, it's looking, oh boy, I'm not really feeling it. But you know, it always fits. Now this is more of what I'm talking about. A statement necklace that has something in the middle. That always looks good. That always looks good with a crew neck. And boom, your necklace part is for the most part done. But to really make this unique, you want to stack different types of necklaces. And it still don't look good. Hold on, y'all. Now we're going to incorporate bracelets to make sure the outfit pops. I like to split my bracelets in half, some on this hand and some on the other hand. Bracelets are by far one of my favorite things to wear. Plus, it just makes it 10 times more personal if somebody had already made you the bracelet. I have links to these type of styles of bracelets in my Amazon storefront, so make sure you go to the comment section and go ahead and grab one of those. Check them out, save it for later. Listen, baby girl, you gotta get one of these. Now, I am a gold girl through and through, so I always love wearing a nice gold watch. Now, this is kind of like a general like gold watch, but if you know you always trying to keep that time in, this is what you need, okay? So I'm gonna pull my crew neck just a bit back, and I'm gonna put it in between one of my bracelets so it can make it look even more cooler. There we go. Adjust it to whatever size of your hand, and we're gonna place it through here like that, and then boom, you're done. Now, as for earrings, I'm not really feeling these earrings, so we're gonna change them a bit last minute. So I'm going to try on the hoop earrings and see how that goes. Okay, so y'all, I have officially finished today's outfit. Tell me what you would rate it in the comments down below. Is it a 5 out of 10, 4 out of 10, 10 out of 10? I ate, there's no denying it. Or is it Kylie? Like, what the heck is this outfit? Like, it's honestly kind of mid. You guys gotta tell me down in the comments down below, so you guys can have a bit more of an overview. And we're done, y'all. Bye.